if you're anything like me, you probably have some dandruff too. It's been well over 7 days since I last washed my hair, and when my hair goes a week without being washed, the dandruff starts to show, friend. So here's a little close-up. You guys can see white patches, and it's all throughout my hair. We're gonna be doing a full wash day tutorial today, and I'm just so excited because I haven't done this on my channel yet. So make sure you guys stay tuned to see what's going on with this hair, friend, to see what products we'll be using, and so much more. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna do my absolute best to speak over the water today because we got some water in the background, so it might be a little bit loud. The very first thing that I do, I know some people detangle out of the shower before they start their wash days. I don't know, I just don't do that. So we gonna jump right into the shampoo because y'all, like, it is bad, friend. We are well over 7 days without washing my hair, and it looks really bad. So let's go ahead. The first thing I like to do is split my hair into two. Because I have a lot of hair, I need to work in sections. I'm gonna go ahead and put this up out the way, and we'll get started on this side first. Okay, so let's go ahead and start to get some water on this hair because she's thirsty, honey. I take a few minutes to just saturate that section in some nice lukewarm water. Okay, so we're gonna go right in with our shampoo. I'm gonna be using the Nazarol Anti-Dandruff Shampoo today because, baby, like I said, that dandruff has kicked my butt this week. Some weeks it's not that bad, but like I said, if I go past like 7 days without washing my hair, my dandruff will start to flare up. So I'm just gonna take the shampoo and I'm actually gonna target my scalp. Just like that, friend. It ain't really much to it. Put the soap on the scalp. Usually the first time I wash my hair, because it's so dirty, I feel like my hair eats the shampoo. So I use one of these to, like, a shampoo scrubber. Oh my goodness, this makes all the difference in the world. This gets all that dandruff up. If you're somebody who also has dandruff, I would recommend not trying to go past 1 week without washing your hair. Like, it's unfortunate, but that's just what we gotta go through as people who have dandruff. It used to be really bad, but once I started staying on top of it more and being more on a consistent schedule, that's when I actually saw the dandruff flares don't pop up as often. So that first go round, we're just getting that top layer of dirt and oil off of our scalp, off of our hair. And the next time, we really are gonna focus on cleansing the scalp.
Magnificent.
All right, so we're gonna go in with a little bit more. And you really don't need a lot. Now you can start to see the suds immediately. I'm gonna make sure I get that part, because whoop, babe, that part was flaky, honey. And I go right into my scalp. Like, I don't really do my hair. As the suds start to come, that's when I will drag it down my hair, but I really want to focus on cleansing my scalp. You can see you can even start to drag it down a little bit, and then I'm going to go ahead and just start to gently, because my scalp is so sensitive, especially like in this top area. Oh man, I have to go so gently. I go in circular motions, I can go back and forth. You see how good that shampoo is working and how much it suds up? I don't know what another word is for it, to like lather, I guess, how much it lathers. I call it suds up, baby, because there's a lot of suds up in here. Really making sure that all the dandruff, all the dirt, all the grime, that buildup, any products, residue, anything is off of my scalp. Now, I wash my hair a total of 3 times. The first time, like I said, it's just to kind of get rid of that first layer of buildup and oils. The second time is actually to cleanse the scalp, like I'm doing right now. And then the third time is just a quick shampoo, just in case I missed anything. I'll go in with another layer. I don't know, I feel like it covers more surface area, and it just feels good. It feels like a nice massage on your scalp. Girl, I goes in. Now, shampooing your hair is so important because that's kind of like the foundation of a healthy style. It's going to be the foundation to set your hair up for success for the entire week. I would never recommend you doing a hairstyle on dirty hair. I know some people get lazy and they don't want to wash their hair, but I promise it makes all the difference in the world. My hairstyles last a lot longer when my hair is just like squeaky clean. Okay, y'all, now that my scalp is squeaky clean, this is my hair in its natural state. I don't really have like a lot of definition. My hair is more on like the wavier side, but once I apply the deep condition, I don't know, my hair kind of just transforms. It definitely is more moisturized after I apply the deep conditioner. So let's go ahead and do that right now. I'm gonna be using that good old Shea Moisture, y'all. This is their Jamaican Black Castor Oil line. My favorite, the Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. Girl, everybody has been raving about this product for years, y'all. So let me show you guys how I like to apply my deep conditioner. First thing I'm gonna do is soak my hair under water, just like that. And I just want to use the water to help break my hair down into sections again. We're gonna break it down probably into roughly 3 to 4 sections. And I do this underwater because it's a lot easier to separate underwater since my hair has no product and it's just freshly washed. And we're gonna focus on this back section right here. Water is your best friend when applying your deep conditioner. So what I'm gonna do is take a little bit in my hand, about that much. It's really not that much, y'all. Little does go a long way. All right, so again, I'm going back under the water, y'all. I know I say water funny. I am from Philadelphia. When we say water, W-O-O-D-E-R, it's a Philly thing. Go Eagles, okay? All right, so now that my hair is soaking wet, I'm gonna immediately start to apply the deep conditioner, starting at the top, and then I'm gonna use more water to help me drag it on down, y'all. Now, the thing about a good deep conditioner is it shouldn't be sitting on top of your hair. A good deep conditioner is going to sink in, so you'll only really be able to see it when you twist your hair up. It's like, okay, it is in there, but when your hair is not twisted up, it looks like there's no product in there. That's when you know the deep conditioner is working because it has seeped into those deeper layers. You can't even see it, but it's definitely in there. I can feel it, but I cannot see it, which is great. Literally the same thing. I'm gonna go under the water, take a chunk of section. It's a lot easier to do it underwater. Same procedure. I'm gonna go ahead and take some product, as much or as little as you need to. I really don't take a lot, just like a nice little goop. The section that I am working with, I'm going to go ahead and put that under the water. The section that's already done is in the back of my head, so it's not getting wet or being touched or anything. And I'm just going to soak that in with some water. And then we're going to immediately start to apply the deep conditioner. Love, love, love this part. I just feel like this is where your hair is going to come back to life. You can feel when your hair is properly saturated in product. Keep going until you can feel the product, but you shouldn't be able to see it. A good deep conditioner will never sit on top of your hair. It will always shrink in, but if you do twist it, it's in there, friend. You can see that. The deep conditioner is in there. Moisture comes from your wash day products. They also come from your styling products too, but the foundation is always wash day products. They matter. Chunk of product, wet my hair up, that section. I love doing this on soaking wet hair, y'all. And just working that product down, a little bit more water to help maneuver the product down my hair. Just like that. And it is in there, y'all. Okay, talk about in it. Okay. You can tell how this little piece is still very poofy and just, you know, lack of definition versus all of this. It's weighed down. You can kind of see the curls starting to bounce back. That is what a good deep conditioner will do. I also have a appointment coming up for my hair because it's been a while since I have been at the salon, and I can kind of just tell when my hair needs, you know, a nice salon visit. Normally when I go, I get something called a curly cut, where I'll go and they'll just start cutting my hair in its natural state. So I did make an appointment. Unfortunately, I am on the wait list because my salon is always packed and busy. Not a big deal though. Comment below if you guys want me to take you with me. I will do a full YouTube video on it, and I'll show you guys from start to finish what that looks like. Now let me show you guys the difference between clean, moisturized hair versus dirty hair. Alright, so here is, we have not touched this yet at all. As you guys can see, I did not put any shampoo, any deep conditioner, nothing on this side versus this side. Okay. We are deep conditioned. We are shampooed. We are looking good. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna actually wrap this side up and allow that deep conditioner to sit in my hair for about 20 minutes. And I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo and deep condition the other side. I'm gonna do the exact same thing. Shampoo it 3 times, put the deep conditioner in sections, and then I'll be back once both sides are deep conditioned and we're ready to move on to the next and final step. Hey, y'all, all right, so I did the other side. We shampooed, we deep conditioned. I actually wound up taking a shower, and now we are going to come back to this side so we can finish up. This side has been sitting for maybe about 10 to 15 minutes now, so I know that the deep conditioner is fully in there. Y'all, I am telling you, if you have problems with moisture, if your hair is dry or brittle, this is the one that you want to use. My hair is so hydrated right now, and it's only going to get better. So I'm going to go ahead and detangle with the deep conditioner in my hair. I don't know, I always feel like it's the simplest things that make the biggest effects. So what I'm going to do is kind of look down at the ground so my hair is kind of falling in front of my face. I'm going to start right here in the front at the ends and then working my way up. And it is so easy to detangle my hair, y'all. Just like that. I mean, what was that? 3 or 4 passes, completely detangled. Doing the same thing, kind of just going back in small sections, starting at the ends, and then gently working my way up. And then again, starting at those ends, y'all. Hopefully you guys can see. My hair kind of long, friend. Okay, when you use the right wash day products, your hair will definitely grow. You'll see how it's just combing straight through. And now we are already at the back section. Again, starting at those ends and just working my way on up. Nice and slow. And I only like to detangle once the deep conditioner has sat in my hair for quite some time. Again, it's been about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, we're fully detangled, y'all. Took about 2 minutes. We are fully detangled. The product is still in there. Woo, feels so good. So now we get to rinse this out, apply our leave-in, and then this side will be all done and ready to be styled. This is how much hair came out. Not a lot at all. So this is how much hair I lost. Let me see if I can show it to you guys. Not a lot. I see that's pretty good for somebody who has not done their hair in about 7 days. And then all I'm going to do is dunk my hair underwater and get all this deep conditioner out. Alright, y'all, you guys can see all of the deep conditioner is rinsed out, and we are ready to apply the leave-in. Now, this is a new product that I'm going to be trying out. This is from Watch and See. If you guys have heard of The Main Choice, this is the same creator. She started a whole new brand. Okay, so excited. So this is their leave-in conditioner. It's biotin rich. If you guys don't know, biotin is so good for your hair. So it's gonna make your hair soft. It's also gonna make your hair strong. And it's also gonna help your hair fight against environmental factors like the sun. Biotin is gonna take care of all of that, y'all. Biotin is so good and so nourishing for your hair. I'm gonna go ahead and pump some on my hands. Now, I know some people don't use a leave-in conditioner, but I do. Like, if I leave the shower, my hair is just going to continue to get a little poofy. But with the leave-in conditioner, it kind of keeps it tamed and also just like hydrated and moisturized. You can kind of tell since there's nothing in my hair, just losing moisture. But once I put that leave-in conditioner in, it's going to slick everything down again, and it's going to be a little bit more defined. So here's how the product looks. It's super thick. So before I apply the product, I'm actually going to go ahead and apply some water. Water is your best friend. You always want to apply water and then apply your products. I'm going to go ahead and rub this into my hands, just like so. And we're gonna go ahead and start to apply that all over the hair. Ooh, y'all, it smells like Skittles. It's sweet. It has a very sweet fragrance to it. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. And you can just tell, like, immediately it's soaked up into my hair. And do you guys see how it's not like poofing up anymore and it's still, like, it's tamed. It's hydrated. That is what Watch and See will do, y'all. Okay? I've tried a few of their products. I have not tried their leave-in, and I am impressed. Oh my goodness, y'all, look at my hair. Hydrated. That's how you want to go into your styling session, with hydrated, moisturized, clean hair. And I put in a lot of leave-in conditioner because I'm actually going to be doing a wash and go, so I just need like super hydrated curls for my next hairstyle. So nice, y'all. Look how it just flows. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Oh! Cannot believe this is my hair. I'm so happy. And if you guys are learning anything about what wash day products to use, make sure you subscribe. My name is Aaliyah, and I love showing you guys all things natural hair care. And you can see it's definitely 100% in there. All I'm gonna do is wrap it around itself, and we're gonna go ahead and pin it down. And I'm gonna do the exact same thing to the other side. I will be right back. Okay, y'all, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that wash and go session. You've seen from start to finish how I like to wash my hair, deep condition my hair, detangle my hair, and also apply the leave-in. I am so ready to go ahead into my styling session. I'm actually going to be doing a wash and go. I'm debating if I want to do a YouTube video or not. I mean, I might as well, friend. We already here, friend. But if you guys do want to see how I style my hair next, make sure you guys tune into the next video. And without further ado, I'm going to let you guys go. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching how I do my wash and go sessions. And if you guys did like this video, make sure you guys subscribe. Again, my name is Aaliyah. I do all things natural hair care. So if you are trying to grow your hair, if you are fighting dry, brittle hair, definitely check out some of the other videos on my page. You guys will not be disappointed. And without further ado, I am going to let you guys go. Make sure you guys check out this video next. YouTube is recommended for you to watch. And I will catch you guys in the next one. My name is Aaliyah. This is As Always Aaliyah, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you on the next one. Deuces.